doesn't zoom out very far anymore.
Oh no! Hey, bud! It's a slush! Hey, bud! It's crawling again! You can do it! You can! It's crawling again! Oh no, I...
Careful not to step on them.
I got them. I got two.
Wow.
I got two of them.
You got more than two. Don't scoop them so hard.
Look, I got two of them. I got two of them.
You have a lot of them. That's more than two. But you know what? That will hurt the ladybugs. You have to get them out gently. Silas, gently, not with the shovel. And not by shaking them. Don't shake them.
Look, they were here. They were here. That's it. Them why?
Are you squishing them again?
No, that was quite around. Okay.
Remember to pick them up very gently.
Oh no, no! Hey, Bugs, you took crawl over my hand.
It's okay if they crawl on your hand.
Hey, you can get.
Yeah.
Mary, you can get it. Thank you, Mary.
He won't come. He likes you too much. Where'd he go? There, he's on the shovel.
Look, he's flying again. The neighbor gets the crap into 7.
Hmm?
Look, it's on my Google search.
It's on your Google shirt.